Hey, welcome back to the AlphaGinger Show, everybody. You're probably wondering, what are you doing in the bathroom? Well, that's because I originally had a video planned to be up today going over my top 5 favorite cartoon impressions that I do. And that video turned out disastrously. And the audio completely was ruined somehow. I have no clue how, but that video is no longer a thing. I actually deleted it completely, so it doesn't even exist anymore. So I decided I was just gonna throw together a quick video going over a purchase I just made of a, don't know if you could see it here. I'll grab it real quick for you. Hasha! It's a shower head. Yay! Because this is exciting content. Anyways, I'm gonna install a shower head, and that is what we are doing today. So see that? Look at this. I'm gonna show you this real quick. This is okay. You see this? Do you see what I'm looking at here? Garbage. It is garbage. But that is what I'm doing today. So if this isn't your static, then I would suggest just turning this off right now. So let's get started. But quickly, I forgot scissors, so I really can't even open the thing up if I don't have scissors. So I gotta go get scissors real quick. So hold on. Open. 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 It's so difficult with one hand. Open, open. Why won't you open? Just open. We'll be right back. Come on. You see, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. I did it. I did it. I opened it. I did it. I did it. Alright. Time to get rid of this awful shower head. In close-up mode.
Oh, how do we do this? You stick the stupid wrench that talks like this. Up. I got a lockjaw. I can't work. I'm lockjawed. Oh, I'm back to normal. La 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 la. Let's twist this bad boy off here. You know, I've never done this before. This is my first apartment shower head removal. Look. The close-up of the inner workings of a boring shower head. Going in the trash. Or safekeeping in case I have to put it back on when I leave this apartment. Alright. Shut. Oh. Shut. Oh, wait. Shut. What? 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 Solid content. Solid content. Solid content. Ooh, it swivels. It's a swiveler. Look at that. It swivels. It's so cool. The transformation of my shower head is almost complete. But to finish it off, we have to do this. Okay. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. That shower head. Look at it. Look at that shine. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Gotta tighten something up here. There we go. It's an amazing shower head. And it was only, if I can get up to that height, ow, 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 ow. It was only $25.
So, as you can see, my new shower head is installed perfectly. It looks amazing. It was only $25 at Walmart, and it's a lot better than this thing. Look at that. This is like, ew, like, oh, it's so bland. It's so bland. That's not bland. That's not bland. But if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button below. Also comment on if installing a shower head was actually, you know, kind of funny to you, interesting. I don't know. It's a cool shower head. I think it is. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every Tuesday and Friday/Saturday/Sunday. Is videos necessarily not like this one, but like this one. So subscribe to my channel. But until next time, don't quit your daydream. Adios. Oh, I grew a mustache and beard, by the way, and I think it looks rather good. So, bye.